If you make a one sneeze, yeah,
COVID.
then I carry you go to hospital.
Welcome back to the Williams fam. I know I just crawled out of bed not too long ago, showered and freshened up. I've been working. I've been in bed, but I've been working. I've been editing and just writing some ideas of stuff that I need to get done, some video ideas. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. So I have been working. It's not like I haven't been working. I am actually just downstairs actually about to go make some dinner. So I decided to do some fried dumpling and corned beef for dinner. That's what I'm cooking. Something quick, easy.
Do you want me to help you make the corned beef?
For dinner. Do you have the pan and the one on there?
I can't get it.
So
The dishes, as usual.
I got everything cut up.
Don't worry about it. Here, me make yum.
So you look like a dirty boss.
Mommy not getting none. You make it there. Mommy already get some this morning.
Ow! What?
Who you talk to?
You say you look like a dirty boss? Really? Take you and go put it downstairs.
Ano that? Moving up, never moving.
Yeah, me here spoon. Eh?
Fight. Who that will marry, of course.
Ah, boy. Maybe else?
What?
Are we have a date later?
No.
What?
It's date night tonight, guys.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Quarantine date night. Huh? Imagine that. The new norm of how you're going to be dating.
My quarantine dinner is going to be me and me only.
So I'm making the quarantine date night dinner. Quarantine.
Ow, Mario!
You want to load?
You just slapped me on the heart.
Me just never.
Yes, you just... Mom! You
Really?
just splashed
Yeah.
the water all over me.
You're gonna know.
Me now wash up it. Me now wash you. See, look!
No wash your pants if you're not getting no dinner.
Me can't cook. So me can't cook me own.
Really, babes?
What?
They say you come here and you give your talking.
What am I do?
Come take this out of my back.
What did I do?
No, I know what you do, I want me to do. Come now, babes. My hair's on flower.
Me can't pick it up. I can't help you.
Come now, babes. Come take something out of my back now. Hurry up, I'm not playing now. I am not playing. No, me not play, me not ram. No, what? No.
She not rap, she boom flick. She can't take you out. She not playing, she not ramming, she just boom flicking.
What? What? Say no? Take off my socks and put in your mouth.
Ew!
Hello, you're trying to take off your socks now. It's okay.
You ever get a liquid socks in?
You have to time out your licking it.
You ever get a liquid socks in?
Ow! Take off your dirty socks and touch you. Dumpling cook? Yeah, and it's bad. Oh. Have to test them out. Oh. Okay, you make some.
I make all of them. Mommy vitamins. I made a lot. You know what I do, mommy? I just soften a whole chunk of the dough. Then I just grab pieces and soften it up a bit more. Pretty sure I can take them out now.
Happy belated birthday, Giselle. When you see this vlog, your birthday would already pass. So, Happy Sweet 16. Happy Sweet 16. Dinner is finished. Look, I got a whole pot full of dumpling. You want some? I'm gonna go bring up hubby some food. Probably he might want more dumpling, but that is it for dinner, guys. So see how simple dinner is.
You watch, you can make it there.
And it only took like 20 minutes to make dinner. That's a quick and easy 20-minute dinner to make.
Born from Africa, making up a nice, yeah. Turn on by the music, make we work with the vibes, yeah. Putting up the installation, do it all right, yeah. So me see, suppose me jump off of the ladder, yeah. Oh, I can make a hospital. Me nah have no insurance. See, they know me dumb to rascal. Yo, so put in good understand me.
So does he get understand?
If you make a one sneeze, yeah,
COVID.
them a carry you go to hospital. Them a go test if you have virus in your throat, yeah. Then them a go tell you say you have the disease, yeah. A 14-day quarantine. Nobody around you, no. You can't get no sex, no. Because of coronavirus, we can't even get my love, yeah. Me have this dear far from road, yeah. I like a brownie, I go all off now. She say she not give me no, yeah. Because me have up the liquor virus. See me come from the work, yeah. Not even can cough, yeah. As me make a cough, yeah. Everybody start look, yeah. First thing them a go say, yeah. You got the virus. It's virus. Who got the virus? Is it Mario? Mario!
You know, pack up my youth.
See the semi work round, yeah. It's just what the vibes, yeah. Me, I go work till 5 o'clock.
Me alone.
So them pay me right on the spot. Me want my birthday. Got my birthday. Looking for the spot, yeah. So we just working room, yeah. Set up the installation. Putting up some duct works. Everybody come, yeah. Where the supers with the site, yeah. The fucking boy shot, yeah. Tell me something left, yeah. Me just what up.
You talk about that blood. Super the running by side, no?
Eh?
You super the running by side.
Tell me so super. You better see your room, yeah. If you violate, yeah. Me I go down to Jamaica. Me I go run up some big stone. Me I go come back up, yeah. You see you the man favor Pink Panther. Super can this, yeah. Me not afraid of super. Super day station. Nah, I'm nothing. Boy, Shannon, you think you have food you want it, man, for boy? Blow the picture come and become caviar. I'm done work video. My youth. Where's Jerry?
Oh.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? Cause girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.